What's up, guys, man? Welcome back to another Everything's Regular video. Here in the garage, man, with the little one, getting the bike all shined up. We are heading out tomorrow, so that should be fun. But yeah, let's check it out. Alrighty, guys, we just made it to our first stop. We are like halfway point, basically. But this thing is rolling, guys. With these bars, man, this thing is a lot more comfortable than it was before. This thing is looking so bomb right now. Oh my God, man. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. We done gassed up $20, 4 gallons. We got about an hour left until we get to some city. So stay tuned with us and come ride with your boy. Alrighty, guys, we just made it to the city, basically. About 30 miles out, but riding pretty good, man. It's fucking crazy. One of those fucking Hell's Angels tried to fucking kick me off my bike. I think I got it on the GoPro. Like, you're not about to fucking put my life on the line over some motorcycle shit. Alrighty, guys, man, we have finally made it to the homie house, man. We made the trip. It's a pretty good trip, man. Pretty nice ride. Other than the little Hell's Angels fucking I was trying to fuck with me, but the homie got the bike here. Look here. Let me turn this camera around so y'all can really see this, John. God damn. Woo, look at this thing, dog. This thing look clean. Man. Yeah, that thing look clean, dog. It's a huge difference from when we seen it when he had it on the back of the truck the first time. But I'm pretty sure this thing is so not much damage at all. It's literally only the gas tank, and that's literally nothing. But other than that, man, this bike is looking good. I love it without the fairing. The Road King look, I love it. It's like killing the Street Glide now that you can just take it off and make it look like that with, like, you know, a clip of a button. You know, but really good looking bike here, man. I don't know if he rode it yet or not, but it looks like a really good bike. I'm digging it. What y'all think, though? Let me know in the comments below, dog.
It ain't gonna bounce around like right here.
All right, bet.
But this nigga Ray showed me this shit right here. Loop this shit through here.
So we're going through the black bar.
Pull it through the hole, then you hook it. At the same time you hook it, you pull. What up? So right now you got it tight.
Man, the homie about to pull his joint out. He done had his cover on his bike. So, man, we about to head to the little car wash. Pressure wash these wheels. My dog got them orange wheels, man. Them things get dirty real easy. But, you know, when it shine up, it's going to be crazy. We might hop on a boat tomorrow. Don't know yet. We wanted to get a little bit hotter, but we might hop on a boat. Stay tuned for that. But, man, look at baby. Took the little ride on that 23. Feel so comfortable with them bars and everything, you know. Real good riding bike, man. I'm digging it. Out here sliding with the homie. Alright, just came to the first stop. If you guys seen anything about Los Angeles, you guys probably know where we're at. This is LAX, behind it at least. But man, these things, look at the line. God damn. Ooh, look at the ooze and the eyes on that joint, dog. And this thing clean, man. This thing is so tight. That blue just hit, especially next to that cranberry sauce. Ooh. Yeah, together they look hella sick, dog. Yeah, man. So we probably about to go ride by the beach or something. About to go clean these things up. Link up with a couple more of the homies. But yeah, man, it's just a nice little day out today. So let's get it. So we just pulled up to the pressure wash station. Man, this thing rides so beastie on that freeway, dog. Me and a homie came and shut them down. You know, just gotta pressure wash that orange real quick, get that thing shined up, extra clean. But yeah, we out here though, dog. All right, so we probably like the first few ones here, man. It's a little bike event and stuff today. The homie then pulled up with the barbecue pit and all that. So we're gonna check out these bikes in a second, man. Go pick up the truck and stuff in a little bit. Alrighty guys, we just pulled back up to the homie house. Man, that red and that blue looks fucking amazing. I'm loving it. But it's finally time. We taking the truck to go pick up the truck, man. It's finally time to pick up the Silverado, dog. I cannot wait to see it running and running well, man. So let's hop in the big diesel truck and go hop in another big 4x4, man.